Hey, it's Jared. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Peak Design Everyday Case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And then they also have this case available for other iPhones as well. But what makes this case so special? Peak Design is a camera bag company that has produced a lot of different accessories for cameras, and they also have a case with some accessories that are extremely useful. So let's first talk about the case. The case has a really nice fabric feel to it, kind of reminiscent of Apple's linen case, but I kind of like this one better. It has a material texture that is similar to some of Peak Design's bags. Feels maybe somewhere between like a camera bag and a camera strap. It's just nice and soft and feels really good, has a great texture to it. But then we have a silicone outer bumper here that protects our phone all the way around the sides with good protection on the corners. We've got a raised area protecting the camera module. I do have a screen protector on my phone. The case doesn't really raise up too far on the sides, which some cases can be kind of annoying with how far they raise up on the sides because you have to really get your fingers around that. And so with no screen protector, there'd be a little bit of protection. With a screen protector on here, it is almost flush with the sides of the case, which is just fine. We also have cutouts on the bottom for USB-C and our speaker and microphone, and so plenty of room there. On this side of the case, we have a cutout for our action button, and then we have our volume rockers right here as well. And all of the buttons are extremely responsive and feel really good. But the true power of this case is the accessories that you can get for it. There's a tripod, and that's probably what you're most excited about. We're going to talk about the wallets first. So the slim wallet attaches to the back of the phone using the magnets. And it's very easy to access our cards just by opening the flap and sliding up and getting access to our cards. And then we push the cards back down and close the flap. Now, there's another option here as well for those of you that want a wallet with a built-in stand. We can pop the stand open and attach it to the back of the case, and then we have a stand for our phone, and our phone is standing up, and we can adjust this at any angle, and the hinge has a little bit of give to it, but it holds the phone in place, and so you can angle at any angle, so it kind of works like a tripod in a sense, but the phone stand works in this orientation, and then we can flip it around to the side and it will work in this orientation. And what I really like about it being in the landscape orientation is that it's a little bit taller than the phone. It's nice. I mean, this is something that you can use nightstand mode. So if you have your phone plugged in next to your bed, you don't have wireless charging, but you have your phone plugged in, your phone's in nightstand mode, you just pop your wallet around to the side and then kickstand it out just like so. And you've got nightstand mode, which absolutely cool. I really like this option because I'm not necessarily a wallet back type of person, like carrying my wallet on my phone, but with a little bit of added functionality, it might give the utility that I need in order to use something like this. This works just the same with pulling up the tab and having access to our cards right from the back. Now, the most exciting accessory, which is the slim tripod that attaches to the back of the case and would be very easy to just keep on your phone all the time. We then pop out the tripod legs and kick those legs out like so. And then we have a tripod for our phone that works in both portrait and landscape mode. We can rotate the phone around and snap that right into place, and we can utilize this in that mode as well. What's great about this is that this ball joint here allows for articulation of the phone all in different directions, and then we can even rotate it around and get a higher perspective as well, which is just a cool feature of such a slim tripod. Is great if you film videos, maybe use your phone for time lapses or something like that, or you want to use the countdown timer to get a group photo or control your phone from your Apple Watch so that you can get a group photo without having to have somebody behind the phone hitting the shutter button. So this is truly an excellent device because it's so slim and so easy to use. So let's just rotate this back around and fold this up, fold the legs in like so, and snap that right into place, and we're back in our slim tripod mode. And then we just rotate it back into the back of the phone, and we're good to go. As you can see, like very slim. This is probably thinner than the actual wallets. I mean, the wallets are, they're actually thicker than this thing is. And so this is easy just to carry around and have that utility all the time, being able to pop out the tripod. You can even use it as a handle if you wanted to. There's a lot of different ways that you can utilize something like this. Now we've got kind of a vlogging camera setup. We got the handle. I like how well it rotates just right on the MagSafe magnet. Very easy for us to position this even at different angles if we wanted to, but we also have the ball head here of articulation so that we can get different angles there as well. It also has a little key here, so in case the legs start to get a little loose, you can tighten those up and just make sure that all of those joints are nice and tight. So it's nice to have that on the bottom here as well, which I haven't had any issue with. Of course, I haven't had this very long, but maybe after some time, these legs start to come a little bit loose and you have a tool right there to tighten them down. So I have to say, like, Peak Design really put out a winner with this compact tripod. Being able to utilize our phones for what they are with the amazing cameras that they have means having tools and accessories that are available so that we can capture what we want when we want to capture and not have to go carrying around a whole bunch of crazy stuff with us. This is something I can keep on the back of my phone. Yes, it does add a little bit more heft to the phone, but it's not that bad. I mean, our older phones probably weighed about this much. And with the Peak Design mobile tripod, that means that I'm never left without the tools that I need to create when I want to. So check out the links in the description below. And if you want to see some of the other products that I have covered from Peak Design, check out my photography channel. That's linked down below as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you back in another one soon. Take care.